Well, hello, this is Cuauhtemoc from Cuau English, and I am an English teacher. And this time I would like to share some idioms, specifically speaking, body part idioms. So let's do it. Let's begin. Number one, a sight for sore eyes. When that means someone that you are pleased to see, and you can refer to him or her as a sight for sore eyes. Number two, all eyes are on. That means to be watching alertly or attentively. All eyes are on him or her. That means he or she stands out of a crowd. Keep an eye peeled. Keep an eye peeled. That is to be observant, to watch out for something. Keep an eye peeled. Next, catch someone's eyes. Catch someone's eyes to attract someone's attention. Maybe if you are in a meeting, maybe you are talking to someone and you want to catch someone's eyes. That means you want to attract his or her attention. It's a good one. Turn a blind eye. Turn a blind eye. That means to choose not to notice something. To choose not to notice something. Maybe if somebody is explaining something to you and then you turn a blind eye, that means you pretend you didn't understand or really listen. To turn a blind eye. Cry your eyes out. To cry your eyes out. That means to cry hard for a very long time. Maybe your sweetheart, your boyfriend, your girlfriend uh, did something bad to you and you feel bad about it, and then you cry your eyes out. That means you cried for a long time. Next one is all eyes and ears. All eyes and ears. That you can use that expression when you are paying attention to something. I'm all eyes and ears. I'm listening. What is it? Tell me. Next, see eye to eye. See eye to eye. That means to agree and to concur. See eye to eye. That means I'm there with you. I'm listening to you. I understand what you're trying to say. I'm seeing eye to eye with you. And the last one, my friends, is black eye. Black eye. A mark of shame. Black eye. Well, that's pretty much it. Some body part idioms so you can use for your everyday English. If you like this short post, uh, give it a like. And should you have any suggestions about other topics you want me to share with you, yeah, make a comment and let me know. See you soon. Thank you.